Okay, we're back again. We're trying to get this thing off. The snip it off.
No, the snippers didn't work. There we go.
Oh.
Motherboard of microwave. Die.
Yo, can I throw the other thing, though?
What other thing?
That thing?
This?
Yeah, the case. Yes, sir. Still throw it. Man, Ian did this thing dirty. So I'm gonna do it even more dirty. Man, get out of here.
Hits the power line, everything explodes.
Oh, well.
I'd say I'm a professional microwave disassembler now.
Yeah. What is that thing?
Ow.
Did it shock you?
No, I just hit. There's gonna
Stab yourself?
yeah, with the wires.
Good throw. Could have thrown it farther, though.
That was a light toss.
Alright. Let's clean this thing up.
Remove your hand.
Yo, you want to clean it, though? You gonna clean it, though? The inside?
I'm just gonna give it to my mom.
Alright. Anything else we can throw?
No, it doesn't look like it.
Okay.
Everything else is getting cracked.
Now can I throw the battery?
No.
Well, why? I want to explode.
Because my friends don't explode.
Well, that's pretty protective.
Alright, I'm gonna put all that. We're gonna put all of it over there. Don't. You missed. We're
Aw.
gonna put all the stuff over there. So that when I make a trip back and do that house. I'm just gonna put it all over there. And then we're gonna go over there and throw it all away. That's my dad's fire poker.
Oh. I gotta say, it's pretty long. It's impressive. Like, did he make that?
No, that was a table leg, I think.
Oh. Nice.
Yeah, we had a bunch of old furniture, and then we just kind of destroyed it. We used to have the legs of chairs.
Never before seen footage.
Me tearing apart a microwave.
Yes. Never before seen footage.
Alright, let's go.
Teleported outside of our work area.
I don't know if that fudge agrees with the coffee.
Bro has superhuman strength. Bro does bent metal.
Not that hard.
Yeah, you're right. Anybody can do that. Oh, I see where the door is now.
Microwave door.
Microwave. It's not glass.
That's plastic, isn't it? I thought it was glass.
Smash it.
Nah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna sell it to someone. Sure, I can find a sucker to buy it for like $10.
You want to smash something, though?
I mean...
What is there to smash? You got another hammer?
Yeah, it's in the back though. There's this.
Can you go get the other hammer?
Yeah, but I'm using this one.
Can
Guess to use the small one.
Me. Alright, destruction of snow time. Watch my Thor powers. Nice! Destruction! Yeah! That went farther than I expected. I am Frieza, And you, Goku, shall die, since you are a monkey! Hello, monkeys! Hammer time! Oh! Astounding discovery.
What? Hey, that was one of my rocks.
What? What rock? That was destruction with Frieza. Yes! Yay! I think I killed it. Do you think I killed it? Never mind, you killed it.
Now it's dead.
I guess Ian's really the Frieza of the cardboard or styrofoam. So where's the other hammer, Ian?
The hotter you throw, the farther it goes.
And the more it explodes.
Hit dumps this into the trash. Hit 2 seconds later, bang! Glad we were worth nothing. We never even turned these on. That's a shame.
Hello, monkeys! Bro really did the styrofoam dirty.
We were both thinking that, weren't we?
Both thinking what?
To destroy that.
Yeah. You're the Frieza of styrofoam. And you have a pretty long tail.
What?
Has a long tail.
I don't have it.
That's it for this video.